The Sustainable Electrical Power Systems Engineering MSc from the University of Manchester is a way for anyone working in the power system sector to really build cutting-edge knowledge, get an accredited MSc and that international recognition of the skills that you will develop through your time here. The course covers quite a breadth of power system engineering. So you start with this broad overview. What does a sustainable power system look like? What are the main pieces? You go down into, well, what are the physical components? What's a transformer? What's the sort of aspects that matter about that? Something perfect for a substation engineer. And then into the sort of more computer-based power system protection, dynamics, quality of supply. And then there's a few pieces on, well, what could the future look like? What does the kind of current cutting edge research look like? You kind of get into exploring that kind of cutting edge academic side and bringing it back to how can this be applicable in industry. I think beyond the academic piece of what you'll develop on the course, there's a lot of kind of benefit in terms of networking and reaching that kind of global community that you're part of in this online course. We are a transnational MSc. We have people from all over the world, which means you could be talking to someone who's designed the component you're working on, or you could be talking to someone who's doing exactly the same job as you halfway around the world. I think one of the benefits of the course is that networking aspect and that broad understanding of what do power system engineers do in different aspects of that role. One of the other benefits is the recognition. So this is an MSc that is accredited with the IET, and that is a big part of becoming a chartered engineer, that internationally sort of recognized standard. I think that's a big part of why many people do that course, is to be known and have that recognition for the expertise you'll develop on the course. So we've really designed this course from the ground up for an online audience. You can study most of it in your own time. We've prepared a lot of video content. We've linked that in to recommended reading that we provide online. And we provide software for you to run simulations and studies that sort of bring in some of the more practical aspects of that. And then you've got the interactive elements. So all of the courses, you'll have an opportunity to chat with your tutor. It might be through email, it might be through video, or to discuss with the other students. There's some group projects, there's some discussion board activity, but most of it is how you want to do it in your own time. Obviously there are fixed deadlines, there are assessments and exams and coursework submissions that sort of form a mix of, well, this is the more theoretical, maybe that's more exam-based, this is more practical, more project-based, and we'll tailor it to kind of how you can get the most out of it for that unit. The University of Manchester has got a great history of power systems. It's got a fantastic history overall. We've been here for 200 years now. One of the big reasons for studying this is we have a well-established, internationally well-regarded and large research team that have got expertise in so many different areas, that we have this breadth of knowledge that we can bring into the education. We've also got many of the people who support, tutor or academics on the course also have quite a wealth of industry experience as well, and I think that crossover is really valuable.